Welcome to Finance Fundamental. Today, we are revealing the mystery of making smart investment decisions. Imagine you have the choice between receiving $100 today or in a year. Which would you choose? This dilemma is at the heart of corporate finance, and the concept of net present value or NPV help us answer such a question. So, what exactly is NPV? Net present value is the difference between the present value of cash inflow and the present value of cash outflow over a period of time. It is a financial metric used to evaluate the profitability of an investment. But why $100 worth more today than a year from now? This is due to the time value of money. Money available now has the potential to earn more money through investment. That is why we prefer cash sooner rather than later. That is why the simple calculation of NPV can be found by subtracting the initial investment cost from the present value of all future cash flow generated by the investment to see if an investment is worth more than what we have paid.
Now let's organize this cash flow into a formula. The term CN in this case is the expected net cash flow at time N, while N is the projected life of the investment. And finally, R is the discount rate, also known as the opportunity cost of the capital. As you can see from the formula, calculating the NPV of an investment goes through a process which consists of 4 steps. First, we need to identify all cash inflow and outflow related to the investment. Then, we must choose an appropriate discount rate, which in turn allows us to obtain the present value of the cash flow. Third, we use the discount rate to find the present value of each cash flow. Inflow are positive and increased NPV, while outflow are negative and decreased NPV. In the end, we sum all discounted cash flow and find the net present value of the investment. Once we complete each of the steps and come up with a final NPV figure, we can decide whether an investment is worth taking or not. The rule is as follows. An investment should be accepted if the net present value is positive and rejected when it is negative. In other words, if NPV is higher than 0, we invest in the project. If NPV is lower than 0, we do not invest in the project. For a clear understanding, consider the following example.
Okay, so everybody is here now. Actually, I have something in mind to discuss with everyone for today to purchasing a new machine. And yeah, I think we need to decide like what if we should buy a new machine. It costs $10,000 and it will generate $3,000 per year for 5 years. So do you guys think it is a good idea?
Maybe I can help. I have some ideas in mind. Let's figure that out using net present value, which help us see if the investment is worth it by calculating today's value of the future cash flows.
How do we do that?
I have calculated it. Let me show you. So we will generate the $3,000 yearly cash flow to its present value at the 10% of weighted average cost of capital WACC. And that means the discount factor that shows the value of money you have in year 0 is going to have the same value in the following years. And then subtract the 10,000 cost to know whether it's a good investment or not. Adding the present value up, that will equal to $11,372, and then we subtract the initial investment that cost $10,000, which will be equal to $1,372.
What does that mean? Do you think it is a good investment?
Since the net present value is positive, it means the investment is good, and it will give us more value than it costs.
Alright, that's great everyone. So let's go ahead. Then Seng, can you go to the procurement department to negotiate with the vendor?
Okay, I will take care of it. All in all, from the previous explanation and the earlier example, we can say that understanding NPV is crucial for evaluating investment opportunity and making informed financial decisions. Remember, a positive NPV indicated a profitable investment, while a negative NPV suggests it may not be the best choice.